student of Amritakaradi Vidyasavan, the #1 green school in India. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, our school stands first in keeping a very good garden. You know, gardening is one of the most important part of nature conservation. Let us see some of the views of our school gardening. Friends, how's our school gardening? So, let us together keep a garden not only at school but also in our home and save our mother nature.
Hi, I'm Tutti Carrot. I'm a sweet vegetable. Hi, I'm Pretty Bittergourd. Oh, you are Bittergourd. Your name itself shows you are bitter. How do people can taste you? You're too bitter. See, I'm so cute and sweet. People like me very much. They taste me in many ways. In spite of all this, I am rich source of vitamin. Okay, you are right. I'm bitter in taste, but you know, I have many diseases value. I can save people from many diseases. I can reduce blood sugar level. I can give immunity to people. Like you, I'm rich source of vitamin. Oh, you're great. I'm very sorry, dear. I understood one's looks does not matter. I remember one thought. A tree is not by its fruit, not by its trunk. I know we all are in same family, but look different. Come, let's meet our friends.
Hi, I'm tomato. I'm a sweet vegetable. I'm rich in vitamin C, K, potassium, minerals and carbohydrates. I can save you from sunburns and I have anti-aging properties. You can have me fresh as well as cook. Bye!